Are you thinking about skipping your next pole barn inspection? Here are 3 big reasons why that could cost you more than you think. Reason number 1, prevent costly repairs. It starts with something small, like a tiny roof leak. But if ignored, that leak can cause water damage, mold growth, rotted lumber, and ruin insulation. A simple inspection can catch these problems early before they turn into expensive repairs. And don't forget your gutters. Clogged gutters lead to standing water or wood rot. Take the time to clear out pine needles, moss, or animal nests. It extends your building's life. Reason 2, keep your insurance up to date. Don't wait for a tornado, fire, or hailstorm to find out if you're underinsured. A yearly inspection helps document your building's condition and improvements, so your insurance coverage reflects its true value. Providing an updated inspection report can help you adjust your policy before disaster strikes. Reason 3, prep for future renovations. Do you want to add on to your pole barn or convert it into something new? An inspection gives you the blueprint to start that process. It helps you assess the structure components like columns, trusses, and purlins. Critical if you're planning on extra loads or finishes. Whether it's year 1 or year 20, routine inspections and maintenance at key intervals are the key to extending the life of your post-frame building. A well-maintained pole barn is safer, lasts longer, and holds its value, giving you the best return on your investment. Are you ready to give your building the attention it deserves? Schedule a free inspection with our post-frame experts. You'll receive a detailed report outlining your structure's current condition, helping you stay ahead of repairs and keep your building in top shape for years to come. Protect it, improve it, plan for the future. Thanks for watching, and always remember, build with confidence.